Hello, welcome back. As we did yesterday, our project. So these lines ones we did yesterday. Okay, this one, and we just make these lines and where our column will be located by any intersection. But we here did a mistake because this one is just a balcony, so we don't need to provide a column. Like here you go. This column was yesterday here in this location, so I moved to here because this one is balcony, so we don't need to provide a column at the edge of this. So I just clear here. So if you see, I just clear this into here and also write which area this is, and each intersection we will provide the column. Here you go, this one is 8 meter. This is yesterday I said we don't need to provide a column, but sir said this length is too much, so we have to provide a one column. So that's why I press a column here from this line to directly in the same. So just check here, remove this one because we just need one. And also what we will do, we will just place the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so our x-axis is first one is 0, so the second one will be 5 meter, and the third one will be, by mistake, my bad. And this one. Now this one is 11 meter, and this one would be the total distance, which is 13 meter. Okay, I'm pressing actual here is a little bit different, that's why, but it's 5, 11 and 13 meter. And here is also we have 1 0, and the second one would be like 2 meter. The next one will be 4 meter, and the third one will be the total distance, which is 10 meter. Okay, so let's draw here in AutoCAD and sap2000. This is our new model. The search is draw by prime, which the extra thing he move, but we will draw by grid lines, whatever it is. Just leave like that and edit it. Modify the grid line. The x-axis we need was from the 0, then 5, then 11, and then its total distance, which is 13 meter. And the y-axis, which is 0, the first one, the second one is 2, this one is 4, and this one is 10. We don't need more floors, so let's delete this all. We need just one floor and 3 meter, and it's okay and okay. So here we have 2D and here we have 3D. Now define material from which material we will draw uh, our member. So we just need steel here, and from Eurocode we need just the lower one, so 235, and it's okay. Also define the section from which section we will make these members. So we will import from the back of this program. We had all data from each course here, from each code. So from Eurocode we have a lot of section, just this much. So just click first one and ship, and last one. Okay, all section will be selected and okay. Just draw the main beam by clicking this one. So we will draw the beam from the lower section, which is IP 120. If it is not sufficient, the save will tell us, so then we will remove and like edit by 120 to 140, 160 to see the economically option. So this is our beams. don't need this beam, so it's okay. Now which beam we draw, just check from here, this option, and then general option, extrude material section, apply, and it's okay. If you see here, let's check by here, the first floor, zero floor, extrude as well here. So we all made these materials from the zero, so here is also okay. So we made these alls from, here you go, here is also we have one main beam, okay. So this one is also a main beam, but here is no column, so it's not a main beam, okay. Here is our, we don't have main beam, so we all draw this one on zero floor and ground floor, which is not good, so we have to we did a mistake, so we have to select these all and move to first floor, which is on z-axis 3 meter, and this one is must to be 0, apply, and okay, all members, all beams can go to the first floor. This is our main beam, and also we have to make draw the columns where we have columns in the intersections. So let's draw the column as well from this line. So let's make this views a little bit big and change this ones to 3D, that we can see where we have column. Draw the line. We have from the for the column section, H section. So the minimum section we will check as well. So here we have column 1, and also here we have column, go to each one. So let's check here how many columns we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 column, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our column is also okay. And escape, just check from here, sections or materials, extrude, apply, and okay. You see here, these are all the H section, and the others all in the IP section, and also these are also a little like a small one, which is IP120. So in the next video I will show how to draw the secondary beam and how to assign the loads as well, and also support these things, and then we will analyze. So our videos until to here, see you in the next video.